Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, January 13th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And again, with about 20 minutes to go prior to the PPI. Markets are trading, basically look at SPY and triple Qs. They're kind of hovering around those wide pocks, which is not a surprise. I would think there's a good odds of trading at them unless this market really pulls away from this value area that we had yesterday. And that's very possible, right? If we open above G's high with higher value, if they like the number, once again, we can start going, taking out yesterday's high and vice versa on the downside. Right now, overnight high is 471.59. Overnight low is 470. I'm sure those numbers will change after 8:30. So the game plan, pretty much like yesterday. And what we talked about last night as far as what the daily chart is showing us. If the market likes what they see today, I can see a continuation and taking out yesterday's high and then finally taking back this trend day. If the market, for whatever reason, doesn't like what it sees, well, then if we do take out yesterday's low, we're firmly back in balance and good odds we go and test the trend day from the 11th. I would think unless the market is pretty subdued about everything and it's still digesting and we have an inside day, I think whether we take out yesterday's high or low, one of those trend days are going to go away, either January 5th or January 11th. I can't believe if we take out the day's high or low, we won't go and fill at least one of those trend days. Question is which one? We are smack in the middle right now. So what's the game plan? Well, in here there is no trade. If come 9:30 or 8:30 after the number, you want to trade pre-market. If we're looking at the lower end, can you take a long against it? You can, but I would certainly be out below there. You'd have at least overlapping to lower value, if not lower. And then once you take out yesterday's low, you would be into balance. And I would think they should start looking for some nice targets off the bat, which would be the afternoon pullback low from the 11th. And then we see what happens at the bottom of the upper distribution. So that's any long out below it. You can take a short below it because I would think we would at least get target one, which is the afternoon pullback low, and then look for the bottom of the upper distribution. On the flip side, if we hold yesterday's low, and then you could hold it and see if it gets back to value low. Now, on the upside, if we're to open above G's high with value, depends how much we open up. If we open in the middle, you could take a long. I'd be out if you get back inside of value. And then you can see what happens at yesterday's high. Again, you could take your long off there. If we open pretty close to the top of yesterday's range, you can take a short play just like a long down here, but I would be out above it because, well, for sure you're going to fill that little set of single prints in K, and then they would absolutely start migrating into J single prints from the 5th. All early plays here in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room. Again, I will not be trading tomorrow. I'll probably do a video in the morning, and then the next video would be on Tuesday morning since the markets are closed Monday. And then what I'm talking about right here on the chart, right? We're up in the daily. Monthly is balanced. The weekly is down. For now, the daily is up. If we take out yesterday's high, we continue up, and we should take back at least the single prints from this day. If we take out yesterday's low, well, then you're below the 20. We'll take back probably the single prints from the 11th, and then we see what happens at the 50-day moving average. So that's pretty much what we're looking for this morning. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.